Hey everyone! Welcome back to part 3 of our English phrases series. You've already learned 10 great phrases in part 1 and part 2. Good job! Today is very special because we are going to finish the series with the last 5 phrases. These are super common, and if you use them, your English will sound much more natural. And remember, don't just listen. Speak with me and practice out loud. That's how you really improve. Okay, are you ready? Let's start with phrase 11.
John, why are you up so early today? It's only 6 a.m.
Because I want to finish my work before lunch?
Wow, that's early.
Yes, but you know what they say, the early bird catches the worm. People who start early get the best chance.
The phrase is, the early bird catches the worm. It means people who start early or act fast often get the best result. For example, if you arrive early at a sale, you can buy the best items. Another way to say it is, if you start early, you will have more success. Now repeat with me. The early bird catches the worm. People who start early often get the best result. If you start early, you will have more success.
John, I'm thinking about investing all my money in one company.
That's risky. If the company fails, you lose everything.
Oh, I didn't think of that.
That's why people say don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your risk.
The phrase is, don't put all your eggs in one basket. It means, don't depend on only one thing. If it fails, you lose everything. For example, if I study only one subject and ignore others, I may have a problem later. Another way to say it is, don't risk everything in one place. Now repeat with me. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't depend on only one thing. Don't risk everything in one place.
John, I feel so slow at learning English. It's hard for me.
Don't worry, Anna. It takes time.
But I want to be fluent right now.
Ha ha. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Big things need time.
The phrase is, Rome wasn't built in a day. It means important things take time to do. You cannot finish them very quickly. For example, learning a new skill, like playing the guitar, takes many months of practice. Another way to say it is, big goals need time and patience. Now repeat with me. Rome wasn't built in a day. Important things take time to do. Big goals need time and patience.
John, what are you doing? You're walking and listening to English at the same time.
Yes, I'm exercising and learning together.
Oh, that's smart.
Exactly. I kill 2 birds with one stone. I do 2 things with one action.
The phrase is kill 2 birds with one stone. It means solve 2 problems or do 2 tasks with one action. For example, when I cook dinner and listen to music, I relax and prepare food at the same time. Another way to say it is, do 2 things with one effort. Now repeat with me, kill 2 birds with one stone. Solve 2 problems with one action. Do 2 things with one effort.
John, remember our friend Sarah? She always helps people when they need it.
Yes, she is very kind.
Now she lost her job, and many people are helping her.
That's true. What goes around comes around. If you do good things will come back to you.
The phrase is, what goes around comes around. It means your actions, good or bad, will return to you one day. For example, if I'm always rude to people, later they will be rude to me too. Another way to say it is, what you give to others will come back to you. Now repeat with me. What goes around comes around. Your actions will return to you. What you give to others will come back to you. Amazing work, my friends. You did it. We have finished all 15 powerful English phrases together. In Part 1, we learned the first 5 phrases. In Part 2, we learned the next 5 phrases. And today in Part 3, we learned the final 5 phrases. Let's quickly review today's phrases. 11. The early bird catches the worm. 12. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. 13. Rome wasn't built in a day. 14. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. 15. What goes around comes around. Remember, knowing phrases is not enough. You must practice speaking them again and again. That's how English becomes natural for you. If you enjoyed this series, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. That way, you help me and also help more people learn English. And now I want to hear from you. Which phrase is your favorite from all 15? Write it in the comments. I'll read them and reply. Thank you so much for learning with me. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.